Hi, I'm Dave from M&R. Nice to see you all. I want to talk to you about a brand new product we have here called the Twister. So the Twister is a garment cooling system. The idea is as garments come off the back of any dryer, when they've been cured, raised to cure temperature, you're talking about 320 degrees or something like that. That's going to be hot for the person at the end of the dryer to handle. So the idea here, we hit it with some forced air, cool the shirts down. They're more likely to be more comfortable for the operator to grab at the end of the dryer. Simple to operate, on-off switch, and then you have your fan speed control. It's variable speed. If you have very, very lightweight products, cut pieces or something like that, it's not gonna flop them around on the belt. But if you want maximum cooling power, you turn it up to its highest speed. We've got multiple fans inside the unit. In this case, there are 9 individual fans inside the unit that are providing the cooling. We have filtration so that you're not having an issue with blowing lint or other things down onto the belt. And it's available in 36, 48, 60, and 72-inch sizes. It'll fit virtually any dryer on the market in those belt widths. We actually can accommodate some width changes on the conveyors with these little side plates. So it'll be quite a universal system. So there you go, that's the Twister.